If journaling feels harder than it should, this video will help reset your expectations and then present you with some ideas on a simple way to start. Let's start by being honest. Journaling is hard. And for most people, it's not because they lack motivation or discipline. It's because of what journaling looks like online. Perfect handwriting, beautiful spreads, staged notebooks. I love those pictures, but it's not really what journaling typically looks like. Most journaling is messy. It's uneven, there's half pages. Sometimes it's 2 sentences, sometimes it's a half a page of frustration. And that's not failure, that's just a journaling practice. Journaling isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And even more, it's about returning back to the journal. And the reason why journals typically don't look perfect is because they tell the truth, and the truth is oftentimes messy. Once you let go of this idea of journaling and perfection, then you can begin to treat journaling differently. Try not to treat journaling as a task or an assignment, even if it is. Try not to think of journaling as a time of productivity, but a time to arrive, to calm down, and to seek out joy and truth. Try giving yourself even 5 minutes, especially 5 minutes. Okay, so here's a simple way to journal when you sit down. First, start with 2 gratitude statements. Maybe your first gratitude statement is, I'm grateful for time to sit down and arrive in my journal. And the second journaling statement could start, I'm grateful for, and then you fill in whatever is your truth right now. After that, use these 2 open-ended prompts, not to fix anything, but just to see clearly. First, what feels heavy right now? What's calling my attention? What's distracting me? What's on my heart? Second, write down, if I stop judging this moment now, what would I actually see? So give yourself a little break and try to use your journaling as a time to arrive, to see clearly, and not perform. All right, so today we talked about realistic journaling versus what you see online, a couple of simple gratitude statements, and a couple of open-ended prompts. Hi, I'm Scott. I founded Pen and Journal, and I help people use journaling to gain focus, productivity, and mindfulness. Be sure to support me by subscribing and commenting on this video. Check out the links in the description, and you'll find some journaling resources there. We'll see you next time.